Hello guys, so we've seen subsets, we've seen combinations, now we're gonna see permutations. So all those things we learn in high school, they very often show up in interviews. So if you wanna know the best resources to pass big tech interviews, take a look at the description below. I have a video where I describe the best problems, the best books, which books you shouldn't take a look at, and which resources will only make you waste time. So take a look at that below. So without further ado, let's take a look at our problem, permutations. So permutations, first let's see what permutations look like. I'll put a breakpoint here. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we are gonna see the answer in a second. So permutation will be all the possible variations of these three numbers where the order does matter. So 1, 2, 3 is different from 3, 1, 2. And so basically we have three elements. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Perfect for recursion. So how do we do that? We follow the same template we've been using with subsets and combination. So memorize. I'm for memorization. People who say memorization is bad, they're wrong. When you have a short time to solve a problem and you're competing with other people, you have to have the certain concepts at the tip of your fingers. So it has to be quick. If you haven't memorized, you're gonna waste your time. You're gonna lose the competition. So memorize this template. If length, so let's put a breakpoint here and step into our function. So you guys see what's going on. So the idea is to have a for loop, but the condition, the base case is when the size of the temporary array, which keeps track of all the backtracking, is the same size of the original array, which in this case is 3. So when temp is equals 3, we append temp. So let's see what that looks like. So we're gonna iterate over R and append the first element. Now we're gonna go to the second. So basically we need some condition to check if the number is already there. So we'll see that 1 is already in our temporary array, so we're gonna continue. And now we're gonna use 2. 2 is not in our temporary array, so we append it. Now we are gonna use 3. So in this new loop, you will check for 1, it's not possible because it's already there. 2, it's already there. So now 3 is there, and we're gonna append that to our answer. So now once I step into, we're gonna see that we have 1, 2, 3. So now we'll start backtracking. So we'll start backtracking, recurse and pop. So we'll pop again. So now we'll try 1, 2, 3. So we append 3. And now in this new recursive call, we are gonna append 2. That's size 3, so we append that to the answer. I'll put a breakpoint here so you guys can follow the next sequences. So then we have 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, so on and so forth, until we get the answer, which will be the same as we had at the problem statement. So the code is on GitHub. Put a breakpoint. Putting breakpoints is great. Use VS Code, so it's great for you to understand. I think it saves you up time. Trying to understand by just imagining what's going on, it's hard. So put a breakpoint and see exactly what's going on. It's gonna be much easier. So hope to see you guys in the next recursion problems.